Patterns in nature. Patterns are referred to as visible consistencies found in nature. They are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. There are several types of pattern including cracks, fractals, spiral, stripes, and waves. Nothing in nature happens without a reason. All of these patterns have an important reason to exist and they also happen to be beautiful to watch. Cracks. Cracks are linear openings that form in materials to relieve stress. When an elastic material stretches or shrinks uniformly, it eventually reaches its breaking strength and then fails suddenly in all directions, creating cracks with 120-degree joints, so three cracks meet at a node. Conversely, when an inelastic material fails, straight cracks form to relieve the stress. Did you know that in nature, by far most mud cracks start as three-pronged stars, clearly reflecting competing random centers of shrinkage? It is also formed largely because of solar radiation. They are cellularly assembled on playas, floodplains, deltas, and tidal flats, differing genetically from other patterned ground features.
Fractals. It is a kind of pattern that we observe often in nature and in art. A rough or fragmented geometric shape that can be split into parts, each of which is, at least approximately, a reduced size copy of the whole. Do you know, fractals help us study and understand important scientific concepts, such as the way bacteria grow, patterns in freezing water, snowflakes, and brain waves, for example. Their formulas have made possible many scientific breakthroughs.